Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma login not working issues in 2026. If you're unable to sign in, getting authentication errors, or stuck on the login page, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, double-check your email address and password. Even a small typing mistake can prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can cause login requests to fail. Now refresh the login page or restart the Figma desktop application if you're using the app version. If you've forgotten your password, click the password reset option and follow the instructions to create a new password. Next, check your inbox, spam folder, and junk folder for password reset or verification emails from Figma. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with the login process. Now try signing in using a different browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related issues. Next, temporarily disable VPN services, proxy settings, or browser extensions that may block authentication requests. Make sure your browser or Figma desktop application is updated to the latest version available. Now verify that your account has completed any required email verification or security checks before attempting to log in again. Finally, wait a few minutes and retry if Figma is experiencing temporary server or authentication issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma login not working issues. You should now be able to access your account and continue your design work without login problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.